We're here at Bucky's, first time ever. No, I'm a Long Island kid. I'm in Long Island. You don't got these black mistakes in the East. Got to experience all of it. Not the biggest one they got out here, but it counts. I'll take it. Yeah, it's like, look what time it is. And everybody's outside. There's no time limit for Texas. I do love one of those Blackstones. And everything's huge. Look. Man, this thing is massive. Oh, this is what they make the hot food. I heard it's good. The stuff they make. Too bad I'm full. See, look, they make briskets. Smoked briskets. People say they'd be good. Yeah. If I had more time, we came here and had some try out the food. But they all try out the food. We'll try it out. And they make their own jerky too. And merchandising for days. It's a big thing. I find it interesting. Clothing. They said clothes. Like what kind of gas station sells clothing and brisket at the same time? Like good Ray-Bans.
What is this?
It's a adjustable sea line. I guess if you go fishing. A speaker.
This is a good place here, actually. Look.
Oh, yeah, for your car, yeah. And a speaker. A belt.
This is the fitness one, right?
Yeah, magnetic back. 94 years of no BS warranty. That's a lot of years. Somebody's lifetime right there. But if you go past the 94-year warranty, you ain't getting no more warranty. And they got